Did you know that the dollar used to cost 45 rupees? $1 is equal to 45 rupees in 2013, 2014. And today, the same thing costs 85, 86 rupees. Good morning, my dear friends, and welcome back to Fuzz Life. There have been so many of you who are interested to know a lot of things when it comes to where am I, what am I doing, and stuff like that. So guys, I wanted to clarify quite a lot of things. In fact, I wanted you guys to know what really happened, why did I leave India all of a sudden, and what really happened overall, right? Like, say for example, you all know that I was vlogging almost daily. To be very honest, there are quite a lot of factors to that, why I moved and what really happened. So the cost of everything has gone up by 5 times or maybe even 7 times, and what makes people like us move out of India. But first and foremost, in India, the labor costs, the work that you actually put in, that is too high compared to what you're getting paid. This is not overnight decision for me. This happened after the Notebandi because I lost my trust over the government of India. I would be happy if in case BJP or Congress or whoever is a ruling party is doing good for people like us, right? Like people who are actually working and they are paying their taxes to the government on time and everything. You're charging us for everything, literally like आधी से ज़्यादा salary तो आप ही लोग खा जा रहे हो. If a person is earning decent amount of money, you're already paying like 25 to 30% as income tax. That is the first and direct tax which you actually pay the government. Then you have something called as indirect tax. When it comes to the kind of services that they are providing, it's really not good. The government is not really giving us clean air, nor is it giving us clean water, nor is it giving us cheap food. Even living conditions are far worse. Adulterated food all the time. जिस एंगल से भी आप देखोगे, what is going on in India is not at all suitable for people like you and me. We are giving our blood, tears and sweat to work, right? And when you work very hard and you are actually earning peanuts, and उस peanuts में भी क्या हो रहा है कि government को tax देना पड़ता है, right? So which is kind of like extraordinary that we are actually doing that in a country like India. Let me be very honest and blunt. India में आपको कोई भी quality services नहीं मिलती. अगर आपने गाड़ी खरीद ली for example, तो उसमें भी एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स है. लिटरली अगर आप गाड़ी की बात करते हो तो what has happened today's day and age is that you are literally paying for 2 cars, not for 1 car. अगर आपने एक गाड़ी से 30 लाख रुपए में खरीदी है तो 30 लाख रुपए गाड़ी की नहीं है, 15 लाख रुपए गाड़ी की है और 15 लाख रुपए गवर्नमेंट. This is what is actually going on, and this is nothing but a big time fraud which is going on with the people of India. And in order to avoid all of that nonsense, me and my family, we decided to leave India. तो मैं अपनी कहानी बताता हूँ. Basically what has happened with me is that whenever I go to India, right, जैसे ही मैं एयरपोर्ट में पहुँचता हूँ, जैसे दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट हो गया या हैदराबाद हो गया, चेन्नई हो गया, whenever I go to the airport और दरवाज़ा खुला तो वहीं से मेरी खांसी शुरू हो जाता था. So I would start coughing like crazy. Why? Because I'm not used to this much of pollution, and plus I have to take care of my health. So health is another reason why I left India, because आपको adulterated खाना, क्लीन एयर नहीं है, क्लीन वाटर नहीं है, एनी विच वेज। दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शेयर विद यू गाइस। अभी तो खैर मेरे को भूख लग रही है, तो मैं जाऊंगा, एक जगह है शावरमैन करके, वहाँ पे शावरमास मिलते हैं और मेरा प्लान है वहाँ पे बैठ के आराम से खाने का शावरमा, और शावरमा के साथ कुछ ना कुछ जो भी है। लेंटल सूप, यहाँ का टेस्ट कितना अच्छा है। Seriously guys, you should, if in case you guys are coming to UAE anytime or you are living in UAE, शावरमैन में ज़रूर जाना और वहाँ का लिंटल सूप ज़रूर पीना, क्योंकि दिस इज़ रियली नाइस। चलिए आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है, एंड होपफुली यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू डू वेल दिस ईयर। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर अगेन।